Hi guys, this is Claire. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna recreate BLACKPINK Lisa's How You Like That poster, which she's wearing red wig. Yeah, I'm just trying to recreate her makeup. I don't know if I got it, but to try and recreate this look, just keep on watching. I already put toner or apply toner on my face, so now I'm gonna apply this illuminating primer oil from Detail Makeover. This one. This is my first time using this, and it's kinda oily. But yeah, I'm gonna try to. It's illuminating oil, so gives our skin, what do you call this, luminous effect. So some of the products here are new and I want to try them. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm gonna use this new foundation that I got from Beauty Glazed. I got this online. I'm in the shade number 4. It's Beauty Glazed Matte Me Foundation. So it's kind of matte actually, but I don't know. This is also new. So I'm gonna put this on my face. So I think this is a little dark for me, this shade. I'm not sure how much shade they have there, but I got the darkest one. It has pink undertone. I didn't wet my brush. It's not high coverage foundation. It's in the middle. It's actually sheer. I think I'm gonna use another foundation. Let's see what I have. I'm gonna use this one, this Maybelline Fit Me, and this one. It's in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So I need a little bit of coverage. It's really oily, but that's what we're going for, that natural glow. I'm just gonna set that later with translucent powder. I think that's fine. So done with the foundation. I'm gonna use this Beauty Glazed concealer. I think this is gonna be so light. I'm gonna highlight my under eye, bridge of my nose. Yeah, this is very, very light. Then I'm gonna use this concealer in the shade medium. Then conceal the side of my nose and side of my lips. So I tend to have redness over there. I'm gonna use this sponge to blend. I'm gonna set it with translucent powder, with this Stitchy the final powder in the shade Pink Glow. I'm gonna use my floppy brush for this one. Ooh, that's a lot of powder. Set the under eye. I don't swipe the brush. I'm just like pressing it onto my skin like that. Now for the brows. Lisa's look there, I cannot see her eyebrows, so I'm just gonna fill it like usual. I think I'm gonna use this one. This Caroline one. I'm just gonna fill in my brows just a little. I'm gonna use angle brush. Yeah, this one right here. Now I'm gonna put eyebrow mascara. This is from Sunny's Face. And this shade, I think this is ash brown. Yeah, ash brown. Okay, done with the brows. I'm gonna set my eyelids with the translucent powder. And now for the eyeshadow. Lisa has this brown shadow. I'm just gonna, what do you call this? Define my crease. I have this new, also this is new, eyeshadow palette from Detail Makeover Cosmetics, Egyptian Desert. I'm gonna use this Red Sea over here just to put it all over my lids. I'm gonna use this brush. This is large shader brush. Brown shadow. I'm gonna define my crease using eye crease brush, and I'm gonna use this shade, Thebes. Yes, this dark brown over here. Because Lisa has deep set eyes. This is not a transformation but a recreation. I just want to try to recreate the look of Lisa on how you like on the not music video. I think it's the poster. How you like that poster. Now it's fine. I'm gonna blend it. Using this brush, I'm gonna use the same shade, the Thebes dark brown, and then I'm gonna put that under the on my under eyes. I'm gonna extend that this from the outer corner. And then I'm gonna put a, is this glitter eyeshadow? Yes, it's glitter eyeshadow from Caroline. It's from Blight Cosmetics. Starlight Eyes. Yeah, Starlight Eyes. This one. In the shade Pegasus. So I'm gonna put that on the center of my lids. Upper eyelid. And then using my fingers, I'm gonna blend that further like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put an eyeliner under my eyes like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend that. And she has this glitter eyes over her tear ducts. So I'm gonna use this BYS glitter and liner duo. I'm gonna use this glitter side and apply that on the inner corners of my eyes. And then to intensify that, I'm gonna get this lustrous highlighter, and then using this brush, bullet brush. I think this is bullet brush. I'm gonna intensify that inner a little bit. I'm gonna put this peach eyeliner on my waterline so that my eyes will appear bigger. Okay, gonna put eyeshadow again on my, or no, I'm gonna put this one on the eyelids. Intensify this. Yes. Okay, now eyeliner. I'm gonna put some eyeliner, the intense liner. Yeah, this is so intense. I'm gonna use this graphic ink liner from Caroline, the shade black. I'm gonna make a cat eye. That. Okay, now I'm gonna tight line. I'm gonna tight line using this BYS Duo. I'm gonna use the other side, the liner side. Okay, now I think she has a green or bluish green here in the side corner of her eyes. So I'm gonna use this color board from Beauty Glazed. So I'm gonna use this. So it's kind of blue and kind of green. So I'm gonna use this one, this shade over here. And then I'm gonna use a tiny brush, this one. And then I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. Like that. Or it's not that visible in the picture, but use this and then use this Sahara over here, this shade over here, and put it on my brow bone as an highlight. Now I'm gonna contour because Lisa has this. I think we have the same face shape. I don't know, but I'm gonna contour. I'm using this contour shade over here and this brush over here. And then I don't think she has this blush, but I cannot see the blush. I'm gonna use this blush over here. I can't show you. It's broken. This palette is broken. So I'm gonna use a baby pink blush. I'm gonna contour my nose using the contour here over here. Okay, while waiting for the lashes to get tacked, I'm gonna apply highlighter. I'm gonna use the highlighter on the Caroline Play to Slay palette. Okay, I'm gonna apply the lashes. The lashes. I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then I'm gonna apply some lipstick. So her makeup is a little bit intense. It's glossy, kinda red, kinda nude. So I'm gonna use this Caroline Kiss Sticks in the shade Vacay. Then I'm gonna put red. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some lip gloss. I'm gonna use this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. Now the lashes is set. I'm gonna line my lashes again so that you won't see the glue residue mascara. So I'm gonna use this Get Big Lashes from Essence. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, alright. Now I'm gonna put my wig and then do a montage.